तो चलिए अब हम इसे लिखते हैं 100 वर्ड्स पर मिनट की स्पीड पर। 1 2 3 स्टार्ट। Truth can never be hidden and lie cannot prevail for long. Stop. Today we are going to discuss a murder mystery that took place in Surat city of Gujarat. Stop. This murder took place at VIP area of Parle Point in Surat. Stop. Para. There was a person named Dikshit Jariwala who was murdered. Stop. He married 2 years ago. Stop. The main fact of this case is that wife and his 1-year daughter were only the witnesses of this case. Stop. The wife cried out loudly at around 11:25 p.m. Stop. Upon her scream, the neighbors gathered and saw that her husband was murdered. Stop. Police saw the crime scene and they noted that house was of 2 floors and full house was scattered in such a way that it was looking like a robbery took place. Stop. Para. Police wanted to do interrogation with the wife of deceased, but condition of wife was very bad due to weeping out loudly and she was being unconscious many a times. Stop. It was natural because she has lost her husband only after 2 years of marriage. Stop. Anyhow, other family members were trying to console her. Stop. Para. When she became normal for some time, then police took her statement. Stop. She took that she told that they went to dinner on 27th June at one of their relatives and returned home at night 9:30 p.m. Stop. When they reached first floor of their house, her husband forgot to switch off the light of parking area. Stop. So he went downstairs but did not return even after 30 minutes. Stop. She saw that there were 3 thieves and they were bringing her husband towards first floor and had kept the knife on his neck. Stop. Para. The thieves along with her husband reached the first floor and looted all her ornaments, then locked her and her daughter in a bathroom. Stop. She fell unconscious. Stop. After half an hour, she became conscious and broke the door of the bathroom. Stop. Para. Hence, the police had statement of wife of the deceased and they started investigation. Stop. They found that in-laws of that lady went on foreign tour and on that very day there all the relatives went to a program outside Surat, but they did not go. Stop. Instead of it, they went to a dinner program at one of their distant relatives living at Surat. Stop. Police confirmed about it and this fact was true. Stop. Para. Police did not have even a single clue because there was no evidence, no witness, and CCTV cameras of the house were not working. Stop. The only witness was the wife of deceased. Stop. But police was smart enough and they found the murderer with the help of 6 points framed out from the interrogation of wife. Stop. Within 4 days, police found that wife was murderer of her husband. Stop. Para. The first and foremost point was that why her husband went to switch off light in parking area when there was alternate switch on first floor also to switch off the light of parking area. Stop. Second was that there was no forceful entry of thieves. It was friendly entry into the house. Stop. Third one was why they did not kill her husband in parking area itself, because how come they were acquainted with the fact that there was only his wife and daughter at first floor. Stop. Fourth was that the gold rings, chain and purse of deceased were in a safe condition. Stop. They did not take them away. Stop. Fifth was that the deceased used to wear specs and in thieves had quarreled with him. His specs were in safe condition. Stop. The sixth floor point affirmed the doubt of police because the wife told that there were three thieves, but upon seeing the CCTV footage of neighbors, only two persons were there. Stop. Para. Police arrested his wife and she revealed that she was in love with another person, but at the same time she wanted to grab the property of her husband also. Stop. So she murdered her husband along with her lover. Stop. Para. At last, that 1-year daughter lost both her father and mother. Stop.